In this video, I'm going to show you how to find new Avax Memecoins on the Dexscreener. Subscribe and turn on notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Dexscreener right now. For you to be able to find the newly launched Avax tokens, what you're going to click on this new page, right? Once you click on the new page, you click on this newest. Once you click on the newest, wait for it to load up. Once it has opened, you're going to see the memecoins that has been launched, right? So this token was launched 41 minutes ago. So with a market cap of $10 million is 1 hour ago, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and so on and so forth. So this is basically how you can find newly launched Avax Memecoins on Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, please share it below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.